Why am I struggling so much? I'm just gonna... Fuck it, I'll lose all my gold. Alright, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go that way. Go that way. I don't just see where it goes from there. You know what? I'm gonna try my luck a bit differently. Just gonna go forward left. There we go. I'm just gonna go a strike build apparently. Torque toughness. Yeah. Perfect. Breakthrough, Ashen Strike. I'm just gonna go and gain the safe gold. Okay. I can buy Inflame. We're gonna go exhaust. Oh, fuck me. That's fine. Oh, fuck. That's actually low-key cooked me. This should be fine, though. Oh. Bruh. 1 HP off. Twin Strike. That's fine. Rest of this one. Don't play GTA no more? I do play GTA every now and then, just not so much. But how's it going, man? Just fucking bombing out Slay the Spire at the moment, to be honest with you. So... it's fine, I kill all these next turn. Just Ashen Strike and Normal Strike. Pillage. I'll take that just in case I need it. Ah, it's all good, bro. Don't need to say sorry, man. It is what it is. Not too bad. How's you, bro? Drink that. I could probably kill this guy, right? Yeah, I can kill him. I'll take the 2 damage. Yeah, just not much on GTA no more. Alright, that's gonna do 10. I've got no block. It's not gonna do enough. That does me fine. Lets me block it a lot of it. I'll just do that. I'm not gonna kill him this turn. Yeah, I've heard that NXT is kind of gone to shit, but it's whatever. Ooh. Honestly? Ah, fuck. Yeah, I don't really, Alright, we don't want to exhaust that. That's... What did they exhaust? Hold up. Okay, that's fine. I don't actually give a fuck about that. Not a clue, to be honest with you, bro. Unfortunately. Don't mean that in a bad way. I just don't know who this is. Oh, it's Tony. Oh, what up, man. Oh, I just killed this guy anyway. Me. Somewhat remember you. The Irish guy, right? Tony. Yeah. Yeah. Exhaust your hand, deal 7 damage to each card exhausted. Now we just get Tremble. Yeah, I remember. Honestly, I should have just used the fucking explosion thing, man. But just go through it. I'm gonna go through this whole entire thing. Oh, fuck. I can't be arsed taking 11 damage, man. I don't actually gaff. Yeah, I heard NXT went to shit, so... I'm banned from that place anyway. I couldn't give too much of a fuck. I should probably upgrade Perfected Strike, no? True Grip means I can exhaust whatever card I want, actually. I'd rather do that. Yeah, I went to Notice for a fair while. To be fair. Alright. Yeah, I don't really play GTA that much. How much am I doing? 46. Oh, it might be throwing a bit too much damage actually. Might be a dumb idea, but okay. I'm gonna exhaust a strike actually. Means my Ashen Strike next rotation should be pretty good. Deals 15 damage. Honestly, do that. It means I got 2 Torques going into next turn. Okay, perfect. I lose 2 HP. That's gonna do 10, 22, take away 2. Okay. It's fine. He dies and then that's it. Alright. Yeah. That's such a good card. Alright, what's it gonna give me? Okay. The Golden Compass is really good. It's funny. I've got to do it. I've got to do it, man. It's probably gonna fuck me, but I want to go to that. Honestly, go that way to that to that. You know what? Yeah, it's looking like the path. It hits everything I want. I'll go that way though. Get some question marks in. Perfect. I know. Fuck it. That's fine. That's fine. I still take 8 damage, but it's whatever. I should strike. Perfect. That's a perfect card to grab when I'm running an exhaust deck. Ooh. You know what? I'll do that. That might actually help me. Ooh. That is actually really good. Alright. Okay. I'm actually just gonna block. It might look stupid, but that guy's gonna get stunned, which means I can focus on the Nectar guy next turn. Alright. That also might look stupid, but it means I get to do that. Probably should have played Rage, actually. My bad, my bad. That's a really good power to get. Oh, that's Lee's Waffle, man. Purity is so good. Take Cinder. I might as well. I don't actually gaff about that shop, but I can gaff. Still at random. Upgrade Enlightenment. Fuck. Wait a second. Okay, that's gonna look stupid, but hear me out, right? Can't exhaust a card if there's no cards in my hand to exhaust. Oh my god. Bro just hit me with, like, everything. 17 plus 17 is 34. I'm not going to do enough damage. I'll drink that to mitigate some other damage. I should be able to kill him next turn, hopefully. Yeah, perfect. And a bag of marbles is really good. Okay, that Unrelenting is pretty good. Oh, straight into a mango, perfect. Smith another thing. I'm gonna upgrade my Perfected Strike. Ah, fuck, it's these guys. Alright. Okay. Okay, that guy is gonna die. Next turn, guaranteed. Okay. That's fine. Because I should be able to kill both of these guys. Do that so I don't have to take it unnecessary damage. Okay, Twin Strike, that's fine. I'm not gonna rest, don't need to. Probably upgrade a Twin Strike. Okay. Honestly, this is gonna do stupid damage. I'm okay with that. It's fine by me. take my own fist. 171. Honestly, might as well. Nothing else I can buy. Alright, we're almost max HP. We've got 91 HP. Alright. Okay. The only problem is... this isn't really doing much for me. Okay. Didn't really think that turn through. It's fine. Okay. I need to face that way. This is gonna hurt. Oh, fuck, I didn't turn around. Dumb. Super dumb. No, that kills him. Ooh. Not dead, by the way. Okay, thank the Lord. What the fuck happened to you, man? Wait, you're at work? The fuck? Bro's got a job? Oof. You working a late shift tomorrow as well then? It's so tempting. Okay, are you doing a late shift tomorrow or an early shift? Okay, that's fine. I think Ellie's got a thing coming. You know what? You guys think I'm trolling, but watch Vaku cook, mate. Yeah, she's probably got something coming in the early morning. Alright. Loki, that's a troll. So we probably want to go there and there. I think we just go this way. Right. Alright, let's see what he does. Okay, cooked. He actually cooked me. He cooked me this time. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna go gambling, I think. Go on, give me a 0 cost card. Oh! Wait. We killed that guy? Oh my god. The GOAT. Just actually the GOAT. Just actually the GOAT, mate. just fucking so silly. Okay, this guy. Oh, okay. Vaku cooking? Okay. Okay. Vaku's doing some things. Vaku cooked, man. I don't mind losing 11 HP. Oh, and I get the Vajra? Okay. I reckon I could do it. Okay. Maybe not. Oh no, I'm not doing it. I lied. Huh. GG. Alright. Vaku? Oh my god. Vaku the goat. Okay. Loki. I drink that and just fucking play that. I just take him out. Take him out. That's fine. That's absolutely fine. Take that. Take a strike. Oh, if only I could get that. Unless you tremble. Get that. Block potion's gonna come in clutch. What are we gonna get? Okay, that's fine by me. Oh, what the fuck is this guy? Frogonite? Vaku, come on man, I know you can play better than that. That's perfect. Oh, I'm gonna do that and then do that. So actually just block all of that. Perfect. Feel no pain. Rest here for the boss fight. Do we do double elite? It might be a bit rough. We do it. We're Essential 1. It doesn't matter. I'm against Doormaker, bruh. Okay. Vaku? Vaku's cooking? He's kind of hit the wrong guy, but bro's cooking. Okay. Loki. I just gotta hit that guy and just take the Ethereal. Don't know why I done that, but oh my god. Did so much damage. Oh my god, that was done by me. To be fair, I'm actually making good pace. I'm making really good pace. We've done 25 minutes and we're almost Act 3 boss. Running some Super Saiyan speed. Fair. I raided Vaku, you made me lose some max HP, but... Okay. We kill that guy. Oh no, do that, do that. Unfortunately, we... Okay. That's fine. Take an Ashen Strike. Okay, and now it's this guy. Oh, we didn't get to the Imperious. Okay. It's fine by me. No, we're gonna do that first and then do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. Jesus Christ. Ashen Strike doing 61 damage? Holy fuck, man. Oh my god. And then it upgraded. Oh my god. Lose 1 HP, exhaust. Bruh. I don't know how I'm gonna beat Doormaker. Wherever I play an attack or a skill, it is exhausted. That's absolutely fine by me. This cannot draw additional cards your turn. Bold of you to assume I'm gonna do that, man. What's this? You can only, whenever you play a card, lose 1 fucking thing, okay? Fuck. That's perfect, actually. That's the exhaust phase again. It's fine by me. It's fine, I can't draw additional cards. Okay, I just wanna point this out. I have 25 cards exhaust. Ashen Strike is doing 116, 174. Just gotta screenshot that, man. That's crazy.